Look. Is it obvious? Is it yummy or no? Based on your face, I don't think so. Now I'm afraid. Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
What is the taste? What type of
more
fruit?
Like pineapple with mango. I don't know.
Hi everyone, this is Sue again and welcome to another vlog. So right now, I just bought something in Manila and we will be doing a taste test. So there is a box, they have assorted tarts. So we have a couple of tarts on here and also we will try the churros with 2 separate dipping. So what we will be eating first. Yeah, I have my sister-in-law here, so we will be the one doing the taste test. So I have tried this one, the leche flan tart. That's the only thing that I have tried ever. It's yummy, so I'm hoping that others taste yummy as well. So which one do you want to try first? We have leche flan tart. We have, this is like strawberry tart. We also have the blueberry tart. This is, what is it? Makapuno tart. This is, I think, langka.
I don't know, you bought that one.
I don't remember. This is another tart, and then also the almond tart.
And
so,
we also have the churros.
Yeah, we do have 2 types of churros. This is the baked churros and this is the fried churros.
So if you can't tell the difference, so the baked churros is more lighter than the fried churros.
And yes, it comes with a dip. So this is the milk chocolate dip, and also that's the white chocolate. Okay, so we'll start.
This is not a sponsored video. We just want to taste the different kind of tarts in Manila since you know, it's beautiful. You know? Sorry.
Oh, no. So that's it. Which one do you wanna try first?
So since you've tried this leche flan.
Yeah, this is a leche flan.
So I want to.
You want to try it? So be careful with the knife. Can you do it?
Kids, don't do this alone.
I don't want to taste like a lot, so you have to divide it. It's too big for me, for you. But yeah, I can guarantee you that it's yummy.
So try it first, because I have tried this already. Yeah, this is my favorite because this is the only thing that I've tasted, so I can
you can say that it's your favorite.
Yeah, but
it's yummy,
right? I told you.
The flan itself is very
thick.
I think. How did they do this?
I don't know. I'll try to look for the recipe.
Next, what are you going to taste?
Okay, so we'll have on my area. Let's try the. Yes, we have our guest.
I'm sorry, but this baby is.
Our guest is always. So let's just get this down. Okay, so we'll try this one first. Is it? Can you smell it? I don't think that's langka. I think it's pineapple something or.
Yeah.
We'll try it so that we can determine what flavor it is. Let's see.
Hopefully this is yummy because I haven't tried this one yet. Okay, this is yummy.
Yeah. Is it obvious? Is it yummy or no? Based on your face, I don't think so. Now I'm afraid. Is it yummy?
It's yummy.
What is the taste? What type of
More like
fruit?
pineapple with mango. I don't know.
It's good, but it's sweet, right?
Of course, it's sweet because it is Tart.
I don't know what is the.
I don't know.
I don't know how it tastes like. You can't determine.
I can't.
Right?
Yeah, I can't tell what is the ingredients of the Tart.
This is also yummy. Everything is yummy. I don't
We
know.
haven't tried it yet,
Okay,
so
it's strawberry or blueberry. Which one?
Let's try.
Okay. Oh, that's blueberry cheesecake. Look inside. Is it? No, it's a tart. Blueberry tart. Is it a blueberry cheesecake tart or? I don't know. Baby, you wanna try it, baby? You wanna try?
According to my best friend, this is yummy, so we'll try this one because this is her favorite. She loves blueberry cheesecake. So
I think she likes anything that is berry.
I don't know because she doesn't like strawberry too much. Taste it first.
I don't love them.
You don't like? Oh my god, no, I'm afraid.
I'm sorry, Panda Manila, but I'm not into berries. But it's still okay. What can you say?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, I love berries too.
I'm not into berry that much.
So I also love it. The blueberry one. But if we no, we will rate it later.
Okay.
So now how about this one? We have
For a while.
there's always be careful with the knife, guys.
Again, kids, don't try this alone. Be with your
So,
mother, father,
let's
sister.
go try the makapuno.
I'm not into coconut that much. Though, according to my mom, is this one cassava cake? I only like cassava cake and painitan bulanon. So, shout out to painitan bulanon? Yes. So, only in painitan bulanon, but not in any other store, yeah. Because I'm not into, like, Filipino dishes. Yeah,
Okay, so you can see that there is like a real coconut on here. Take a look. There's there's a real coconut. A coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat.
Is that the lyrics?
I don't know, maybe. I'm scared because it's a very big coconut. Is it yummy? What can you say? There is a very big coconut. Should I try this one? No, this is all the way down.
There's a lot of milk in it. Maybe because there's the coconut.
It tastes like, you know, the delicacy that has like different colors. Coconut, sweetened coconut. Bukayo. If you're familiar with it, it tastes like bukayo, right? No.
Yeah, bokayo. It's like bokayo in a tart.
Yeah. Yeah, you're correct. It's like bokayo in a tart.
So then next tart will
Yes.
be the strawberry tart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's try. This is show them. So this is the strawberry tart. Now I'm very full.
Strawberries. If you love strawberries, then maybe this is gonna be your favorite. Because I'm not into strawberries that much. What can you say? Holiday. You're not into berries, so this is part of berries. You don't like it?
Yeah.
Let me try.
Strawberry indeed. I mean, it's kind of sour. Maybe that's the taste of strawberry.
It's yummy.
So it's like sweet and sour. Next, we have your.
That's an almond tart. So
I like almond.
let's see if you will be liking this one. Look, this is how it looks like. So let's. I think 1/8 is enough for me to eat. This is how much? I think this is like
What?
I paid like 155 for all 6 of this one. So is it like
Including the churros?
no? The
And
churros is
the
different.
tart.
Yeah, the tart. So is it? How much is it individually?
I can't do the math right now. I'm too sorry. I can taste the almond. Where's the almond?
It's in the top.
So I think if you're going to buy this one, you have to chew it well before you swallow it, because you really can't tell the taste, or you can determine the taste of the almond if you're not going to chew it well.
You want to? Okay, so since we're done tasting all of it, we'll just rate it from the 1 is the like your
The
most.
lowest.
1 is your favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So from 1 to 5 only.
No, this is 6. So 1 to 6. So my least
Oh, okay.
for me, my least favorite is the almond.
Yeah, me
Okay.
too.
Because
I love almond, but I really can't taste the almond in this
Yeah.
tart. So that's my least.
So the 6th place is the almond. The 5th place is the
Makapuno for me.
yeah, I think it's makapuno. And then
I'm not in that coconut.
the coconut, the bukayo nut.
Bokayo na.
So the 5th, yeah, we have the same. The 5th is makapuno. The 4th is the blueberry for me.
The strawberry for me. I think the blueberry
Tastes better.
Yeah, better.
Yeah, I
than
love the strawberry more than the blueberry. So my 3rd is this, of course, the strawberry.
My 3rd is the blueberry. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, that's your 3rd. Because your 4th is the strawberry. And then my 2nd is this one, which I don't know what it is. I think it's pineapple something.
Pineapple. If you try the peach mango pie in Jollibee, it tastes
So
similar.
that means that it is still this
The
is still
leche
my
flan.
favorite. The leche
Me
flan.
too.
I told you that it's yummy. So this is what I always like buy in Pande Manila each time. I didn't even know. I think this is like a new release because what I know of before, this is the only thing that they have. So this is the first like tart that they sell, and then they added a lot of flavors. So
this is the 6 tarts that they're selling.
yes, for 150. 150 or 155, I cannot remember anymore. So for the churros,
How much is the churros?
this, I think this is 15 pesos per stick. So the baked and the fried churros is the same price, and then this is also, I think, 10 pesos per dip.
Really good.
So we'll open this dip. So it's like the regular chocolate, and then this is the white chocolate. It's a brown or dark, because they said that it's not a dark chocolate, so that's the regular milky chocolate, and also that's a big slice.
You don't have to eat the whole slice. You just take a bite.
Okay, so we'll start with which one? Are we gonna be starting on the bake or the fried? Let's start with the bake first. So the bake one is a lot
The lighter
lighter.
one.
So you start there and I start here.
What if we combine?
You will not be able to taste each one if you combine it.
That's milk chocolate. The regular milk chocolate. You're speechless. Why?
Because I'm thinking what I can. Is it? It seems like it tastes like the regular Goya chocolate.
Yeah, I think so.
And then this one, let me try it.
I think it's the Goya chocolate.
I love the white chocolate.
I love the chocolate, the dark chocolate.
We have different taste buds.
And opposite.
Yeah, I love the white chocolate better with this. Let me try the fried churros.
So now we can tell the difference between the fried. So which tastes
It's
better?
The churros, it's just like, it looks like shokoy.
Shakoy. That's a shakoy in Filipino food. So if you know shakoy, it's like it's not like this, but
It's
more
like
similar.
bread.
So
Fluffy.
it's a twisted bread.
So let me try it with this regular chocolate. Fried one. See, I told you, the fried churros tastes like
Chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Right?
So we'll show you the picture here. The shakoy. What the shakoy looks like, so that you can
I
tell.
thought it's shokoy.
Shakoy.
Shokoy is
A mythical sea creature.
yeah, it's like, I think it's merman, the shokoy, right?
I don't know.
This,
I love the bacon.
yeah, because this is kind of oily, right? You can taste the oil. And which dip do you want?
Look, still the chocolate, the regular chocolate.
So for me, I love the white chocolate dip, and then because this tastes like Goya. This has a,
I don't know. I think it's still Goya, but we haven't tasted much of the chocolate.
I
in
don't
Goya.
think there is like white chocolate in
there
Goya.
is. I don't know.
Oh no, this tasteful.
The winner is the leche flan tart.
Yeah,
And
that
for
is
the churros is for the baked.
Baked churros is
churros.
yummier because
You
it's
can't taste any oil.
yeah.
and-
It's really oily, the fried one. Sorry, Manila food shop, but we really love all your.
But we can really recommend you the food.
Yeah, it's yummy. If
yummy.
you're a food person and you want to try this one, you have to try it because it's. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and also comment down below if what you wanted us to taste. If you wanted us to taste another type of food and all, so just let us know. Okay. So this is the end of our vlog. Bye.
Bye.
See you.